Hello everyone, I'm K Bhavna, your host for the day. Welcome to the talk show series CX Insights. Today I have with me Mr. Umang Thakur, who heads communication and collaboration at Quadrant Knowledge Solutions, and Shruti Jadhav, who heads customer experience at Quadrant Knowledge Solutions. The topic that we are going to discuss today is CX trends in 2024. So without doing any further ado, let's move on to the discussion. So, Shruti, what we hear around CX these days is the cookie free policies. So, how do you think this is going to impact the CX landscape in 2024?
Good question, Bhavna. So, we have been hearing about the cookieless future since a very long time. And with this, the emphasis on collecting the first party data has become even greater, right? We see a lot of brands till now, they're relying too much on the purchased data because we already know, Google plans to basically ban the cookies for their Google Chrome users very soon this year, and it's expected to happen probably in the first half. Well, that's a prediction, but yes, with that happening, although the primary source of information for so a lot of businesses has been the purchase data. With this cookieless trend coming in future, I think a lot of brands are going to collect the first party data, which means the data will be collected from the customers with their consent. Obviously, with that, this is going to follow the general or the GDPR guidelines as well. So the customers are not going to face a lot of issues, in terms of privacy, right? And also with the first party data in place, the personalization that is expected is going to be even smoother. So we also see a lot of tools, like we can talk about personalization tools itself. They are focusing on creating these first party data templates which allow the customers to provide them first hand information. It could be their preferences, or it could also be their opinions about certain products. Even if you want to subscribe for a newsletter, their preferences would be checked. So with this data in place, I think it's going to be easier for the customers, and as well as it's going to be helpful for the brands to curate personalized experiences for their customers. So I think first party data is going to play a very major role in CX, and I think the reliability on the purchase data is going to go down, and we'll see better customer experiences going forward.
Okay, that drives me to my second question, Shruti. So, Umang, in 2024, businesses are going to strive really hard to provide with seamless experience across multiple channels. So, how with omni-channel approach, businesses can contribute in providing customers with consistent and personalized interactions based on their preferences? Can you throw some light on that?
Sure. So the way I see it, omnichannel approach in 2024 won't be just about connecting on as many channels as possible. Omnichannel is going to play a crucial role in ensuring customers connect as per their preference and have at the same time have a consistent customer experience. Picking up to what Shruti said, how brands are asking customers to share their preference, opinions, and expectations when subscribing to their services. This proactiveness will ensure customers receive consistent, personalized interactions, and which are most likely going to let them return as a brand ambassadors. Going forward, business will use smart authentication, I believe, to monitor interactions across the expanding area of individual channels.
Okay. So, Umang, just now you explained that how businesses are going to take ahead the omni-channel approach. So, can you explain the role of conversational AI chatbots in that, and how is it different from the traditional chatbots? Can you just explain that for us?
Sure. So I think it's no news that we all know that market for chatbots is going to expand
Take over the market.
exponentially,
Yeah.
and innovative conversational AI chatbots will replace traditional chatbots eventually. So I just want to talk about the difference, like your question, about the difference between traditional chatbots and AI. See, the former basically uses a predefined script or common queries to build the interactions, whereas the latter, the conversational AI chatbot, would without predefined scripts, would actually understand customer intent, offer them most relevant solutions in real time.
Okay.
And another area that I feel that conversational AI is going to play an important role is the advanced omnichannel capabilities, coming to my earlier point as well, that can be integrated into different platforms and not just chat service.
Okay. So, in 2024, we intend to see that hyper personalization is going to be the top notch priority of all the businesses. So, Shruti, can you explain how AI is going to utilize the real time data from various channels to deliver the same?
Certainly, sir. Certainly. So, personalization is definitely AI driven, and now we call it as hyper personalization. And you see, personalization itself has come a very long way. Initially, we spoke about rule-based segmentations, which grew to become customer segmentation. After that, we talked about omni-channel optimization, and now what we are talking about is predictive personalization. So, real time data is going to be the key to deliver hyper personalized experience. Right, so there are different tools, right? When we talk about hyper personalization, we also talk about technologies like AI, big data, predictive analytics, also the other softwares like CRM or CDP, which facilitate these hyper personalized experiences. And it's very evident, right? Now the different kind of apps we are using, the shopping experiences that we are getting through, maybe if I would like to I would like to name some, like Netflix could be one, Amazon, Nike, Sephora, and Starbucks, and so many. So right from the marketing phase or to the digital commerce phase, we can see hyper personalization across all these areas, and also it's B2B, B2C, and both. I think we can see hyper personalization happening in every area. So when we also talk about hyper personalization, it does not now restrict to one stage of a customer journey. It talks right from the it's applied right from the you can say advertising stage till the loyalty phase. So I think brands are taking a lot of efforts to ensure that they deliver a personalized or the hyper personalized experience across the entire customer journey. And I think like you see, maybe if you go on Netflix and you see the landing page, you see all the recommendations that are based on your past history.
Yeah.
Right, your likes, your dislikes, your choices, your preferences, and based on all of that data, your landing page comes across. And then obviously when you talk about the product recommendations which you see on Amazon, those are also relevant or other based on your browsing behavior or purchase history. So you see, it's now what we see the trend here is more about also understanding the customer behavior, and also the customer's future behavior, and delivering experiences which are curated for each and every unique your other delivering unique journeys for every customer. So I think the focus is more on the predictive part now,
Okay.
right, and as well as real time with that. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Shruti and Umang, for joining in. We are going to discuss more CX insights, latest trends, and news in the upcoming videos. So, audience, stay tuned for more such videos on CX.